So, hey guys, it's me, Toys and More here. Today we're going to look at this book of Clifford. It's a play sound book. It's kind of rare and hard to find, and it's made by Publications International Ltd. And this book was made in 1998, I think. And let's press it and see what sounds it makes. And this is actually the only one I have. And I'm not sure how rare this book is, but it's probably not as rare as the Naughty Book, because the Naughty Book was expensive when I found another one. But when I got the Naughty Book, I got it for only not that much money, but I found more expensive ones, which it was a great deal. Just gonna go back in case I skipped a page. Anyways, that's all we have for this thing today. Anyways, please subscribe to this channel for more content.